Hello guys, my name is Hassan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am here with the Java update issue. When you open your application, Tradecast application, and it shows this type of error. So how you could solve this error? First thing you need to do is uh, uninstall the current version of Java. Okay, you need to go to Control Panel, then select Programs. If you see such type of view, so you can just click the Programs and Features. In Programs, you need to uninstall this Java 8 update. You need to select this application and uninstall this application. After uninstalling the application, you need to remove the temporary files. Just click on the start percent temp percent. You need to add this text in search and press enter. Here you will see a list of temporary files which contains Java file as well. Just select all files, shift delete, press enter. Select this for all. If the Java application is running, that's why this error appear. We will skip it for now. Okay, and we will close the Java application if it is running. Let's see if the application is uninstalled properly. Okay, it is uninstalled. After this, you need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, you need to install the old version. I am providing you a link of this version in Google Drive. Link to this version you need to download from Google Drive this application setup, and you need to install this file in order to resolve the issue. What I will do now, I will check is it still running or not. So there is no file, so we will do what, we will restart our computer and we will proceed after restarting with the next step.